Hello everyone, this is Andy from Huidu Technology. And it's really my honor to be the leader of this YouTube channel live show. And it's also our first time to have this YouTube channel live show in 2022. So we are going to show more knowledge of our video processor, and we are going to show our more physical products to our clients. Okay, and let's begin. Yeah, I believe there are some new friends here, and there are some old friends who are really familiar with Huidu controller. So first, let me have a brief introduction of Huidu. And Huidu Technology is an original factory of LED controller for LED screen in Shenzhen, China. We were established in 2009, and we have been in the LED screen industry for over 10 years. So if you have an LED screen, just call us. We have all kinds of LED controller to match your needs. Okay, and let's go back to the topic. So today's topic is the VP series from Huidu. So we have all kinds of product lines in Huidu, and VP series means video processor. So this is our whole topic. And before I show our physical products here, I need to share some knowledge of the video processor. And so what's the video processor? What's the function of the video processor, and why we need video processor? Okay. And this is the main content of this live show. The first, why we need video processor. Second, the main function of video processor. Third, the differences between traditional video processor and all-in-one video processor. And the fourth, how to choose a right video processor. And the last one is our physical products show. So we will show our real products. Actually, this is our real product, and this LED screen is using our Huidu controller to light up. So this is the last step, and let's see the first step. First question is why we need video processor, and let's have a look at the PowerPoint. This is the traditional structure of the LED screen. So if you have an LED screen, how to light up an LED screen? So first you need a PC. PC is the video source. Play the roles of the video source. You can use PC. The PC is connected to the sending card through HDMI, TP, DVI, and CVBS, and so on. So many ports. You can send the signal to the sending cards, and then the sending card is connected to the LED screen wall. This is the receiving card through the Ethernet cable. And this is the whole part. And please look at the second line, because before we show our video source, we need to make some configuration. So the PC plays roles of the controller. Make the task order, the control order to the sending card video processor. So we can use the USB or Ethernet cable to control the LED screen. So this is the traditional structure of how to light up a video processor, how to light up an LED screen. And please pay attention to the resolution of the two sides. First is the video source resolution. It's like this, and you can see the LED screen wall resolution is the same as our video source. So let's move on. So if you want to light up an LED screen, you need to know the roles the LED screen plays. So you can see this is a video source. The source resolution is this date, and you can see pass the signal through so many cables to the sending card, and the sending card pass the signal to the LED screen. but you can see the video source is like this whole picture. But the LG screen can only show one part of the source, the video source. And you can see the screen resolution is smaller, 700 by 500. It's smaller than the video source. So it can only show one part of it. Actually, you can see the rows you want to light up an LG screen because it is the pixel to pixel. And how to solve this problem? So if your video source is bigger, much bigger than your LG screen resolution, how to solve it to show the whole part of the video source. So this is what a video processor used to do. So what's the function of the video processor? The first function is to solve the problem we mentioned before, the screen scale. So we need to use the scale function. And the video source is also the same, the bigger one, and the screen resolution is also the smaller one. But we add one device to make the scale function. The device is a video processor. You can see the signal from the video source passed to the video processor, and the source resolution become the smaller one. It's the same as the screen resolution. So this is what the video processor used to be. You can see the right sides of the right size signal passed to the sending card, and then we can show the whole part of the video source in your LG screen. So this is the first function, video processor screen scale. And we can see the next function of the video processor is signal conversion. Signal conversion means you can see the video processor, you might have so many devices like your camera, your PC, and your TV box. There are so many input source, and all these devices can't confirm one same ports. So there are so many ports on this device. You can see the DP, DVI, HDMI, CVBS, VGA, and SDI, and so on. So many ports, but you can see the sending card. The sending card only have one port input. It is a DVI. So how to make it? How to light up an LG screen? You need to use the video processor. You can see the video processor are equipped with so many ports. The DVI, the CVBS, and SDI, and so on. And then you can pass the signal with the DVI to the sending card, and then to your LG screen. So this is the second function, signal conversion of the video processor. And third, you can see function is a display of multi-view sources. So if you want to make an event, in your the concert or something, you can see the picture, the GIF. It's the concert. The concert means you need to divide two areas in your LG screen, and each of them shows a live image. So you need the video processor to divide the whole your LG screen into two areas. Each area shows a live show. You mean this is can connect it to the camera, the video source, and the second video source connect to your PC, and these two areas can all show on your one LG screen. So this is the third function of video processor, display of multiple video sources. Okay, let's move on. So we have known that the three functions of the traditional video processor, but please pay attention to these words. What is all-in-one video processor? All-in-one video processor. This means the new process. Also have the video source and pass the signal, so many ports to, no, just one device. Before we need two devices. First is video processor and second is SIM card. But now you just need one device to make all functions. And also the instant cable to the screen resolution. You can also make your LED screen show the whole part of your video source. So all-in-one means you can see the yellow text. All means a video processor and SIM card. So all-in-one video processor is a combination of video processor and SIM card. So it is more convenient to control your whole process in your events. So this is all-in-one video processor, more convenient. And let's make a conclusion. So we have known the traditional one and the all-in-one one. We can see the advantage and disadvantage. So Huidu traditional video processor and Huidu all-in-one video processor. What's the advantages of them? First, let's look at the traditional video processor. So one video processor, you also for the traditional one you need a SIM card and receiving card and a video processor to pass the signal. But you can see that any brand of SIM card. So if you use the traditional video processor, you can only you can use any brand of the SIM card or the receiving card because the video processor can just make the three functions we mentioned before. And let's see the disadvantages. First is cost much. You can see we have two LED screen factories. The first is the factory made the video processor, and the second factory made the SIM card and the receiving card. So you need pay to both of them, two factories. So you must cost much, and the warranty is difficult. If your LED screen there are some mistakes happen on your LED screen, you need to test the problem. So you need to ask the technical support from each factory. It is more difficult. And you can see the installation and operation setting are not easy. Two device, the installation is difficult, and the setting is the same. Two software from different factories. But if you use our all-in-one video processor, the first is cost less because all these three devices are from one factory. So the cost must be less, and the warranty is also easy. Just find our one factory, ask for the technical support, and you can see the integrated function of SIM cards and more stable because you can see this is all-in-one video processor. You don't need to use the DVI to DVI to connect the SIM card. Just the SIM card is inside the all-in-one video processor. And the setting is easier because also one factory can solve all the problems. And next is the disadvantages. It is more convenient, but also you need to use all devices, all the products from one factory. Huidu receiving card, SIM card, and video processor, all from Huidu. So this is the difference between the two eras. So let's see the question 4. So we have known the knowledge of all your video processor and how to choose it. If you have an LED screen, how to choose your video processor. You can see this is so many dates in one table, and this is a product series. All of them are all-in-one video processor. You can see this is all the devices from Huidu, and this is total loading capacity. And this area is really important when you're choosing your video processor, because first you need to confirm the whole resolution of your LED screen, and the LED screen resolution must under these date. If you want to use any of them, must under them. And also the width and the height is limited. You need to choose which one is suitable for your LED screen. Let's move on. Also, the second is the signal conversion. The third function for the video processor is signal conversion. So there are so many ports. You need to choose which one you need, and you choose which device. And third one is also the third function is windows of display. And you can see these devices support one window, and these 2, 3, 2, 3, and 4. So many windows can support it. So these three areas is really important when you choose your video processor. Let's have a practice. So how to choose a right video processor? This is the first question. So if you have an indoor screen resolution is 3.4 million pixels, and you need 3 windows. You also need SDI because your device is camera. So which device you can choose? First, let's see the 3.4. 3.4 means 1.3, no. 1.3, no. 2.6 is also not. And start from this. You can choose this one, and all of them is over your LED screen resolution. So you can choose from this device to this device. You can choose this. And let's see. And you need 3 windows. 3 windows. You can see. Start from this. We can see this area. 3 windows. Oh, this 2 window not supported. Yeah, this is 3 window. And the whole resolution is also supported. 3 window. And let's see the next. You also need SDI. SDI. You can see the ports. SDI. Yeah. This device supports SDI. Equipped with SDI, and so you can see the three dates is matched your LED screen. This and this and this. So you can choose this device to be your own video processor. And the next one, I can give you 3 minutes or 1 minute to choose which one is better, which video processor is better. Indoor screen resolution is 1.2 million pixels, 1 window, and need HDMI. Let's see. 1.2 million. Yeah, you can see. These two can support it. Actually, all of them can support it, and these two are familiar. And you also need 1 window. You can see 1 window. These two can support 1 window. And you need HDMI. Both of them are equipped with HDMI. And this device equipped with 2 HDMI. So I guess this one is your best choice. Okay, and our information and knowledge for the video processor is over. Let's move to our Huidu product lines. So the VP series, VP410C and VP210A. And I guess someone are really familiar with this device. This is our old version. You can see the loading capacity, the widest, the highest. Yeah, this device is really familiar. It also supports the Wi-Fi. Use this. It's also all-in-one video processor, so don't need a SIM card. One device is okay. But this product is our new products we released this year, and you can see this is C. So the loading capacity 1.3, yeah, it's the same. The widest, highest, it's also the same. But what's the difference between them? First is best cost effective. We can see it later. I mean the price. Second is support UDISC. Okay, also support UDISC. Yeah, all-in-one video processor. But we can see it supports IR remote control. IR remote control. So yeah, we can see the IR remote control. And this is IR remote control. You can use this little device to control our video processor. Just use the button. Use the button to control it. But our old version can't use it. And next, we need to pay attention to the ports. This is old version 1. The ports there are so many ports. You can see the USB, HDMI, CVPS, VGA, and DVI. There are five channels. There are so many ports. But for this device, because some of our clients says, actually sometimes we don't need use the CVPIs or the VGA. These ports don't use much, so we make the simplification and we add one DVI, so 2 pieces of DVI are equipped, and yeah, it is more simplified version. And you can, according to your needs, you can choose any of them. If you need to use some ports like CVPS, you can also choose our old version. If you need, you use the HDMI mostly, you can choose our new version, the best cost effective. Later we will see the price. Okay. And let's see some new products. Let's open the boxes. All these devices are just taken from our warehouse. So all of them are new ones. You can see the dates. Yeah, this is 410, and this is our 210A. This is our new one, VP410C. Yeah, this is the traditional video processors. Traditional one, you can see it is HDP series, HDP, traditional one. And this device we just using is our new device, is 410C. You can see the two HDMI, 4 pieces of Ethernet cable, the USB cable, and the power supply. And it also equipped with the IR remote control. Yeah, supported. And today I'm going to show you our new device, VP210C. You can see the box. First, there's the inside box. This is the whole area. That's the box. Yeah, this is our new device. You can see on the LED screen. This is VP series new device. Let's first have a look at the front side of it. It is more thinner, I think. It is more thinner.
它的背景写成黑色的，太亮了。
Yeah.
切换成我的。
Now I'm using the IR remote control.
现在没有HDMI，
是1吗？
2，
2。
点一下就。看到吗？
你的是用2还是用1啊？
要不你直接下那个下一步是什么？
这个我知道。
好，快接着。
Okay, let's go back to our topic. This is our new device, VP210C. Let's see the front side of it. The front side of it, you can see the device is more thinner than the old one. And this is the power. This is power button. And this area is the IR, the remote control. And there are 2 buttons here. It is control the brightness. And this is the HDMI 1. This is HDMI 2. You can exchange the channel. And this is USB. And this button is the scale. Can make the scale. The last one makes freezing. It's easy to see because there are different ports. You can see the lamp, 1 button with 1 lamp. It's easy to see. Okay, let's see the back side of it. The first is the output. You can see there are 2 pieces of Ethernet cable. One cable control the 65,000 pixels. And input, there are 3 pieces of input. The first is USB, just plug your U-disc and play your video. And also 2 HDMI. And next is audio, it's output. And the last one is the USB-B, it is for control. And this is the power supply. And someone may ask, if I want to use this device and I need the DVI, how to do it? Does this device can connect to the DVI? Let's see. It is from our box, it's from our box. This is the DVI port, and this is a monitor cable, HDMI to HDMI cable. And if you want to use DVI, you can just use this cable, connect to one HDMI On the other side, you just connect it to the HDMI, and the other side connected to your device equipped with DVI. You can control your, you can connect this device to your DVI ports. So you can also use this video processor. And see these three things in your package. These three things: HDMI to HDMI, the DVI ports, and the USB, so the control, make the control. The last one is the power cable. And we'll also send you a CD, you know, the teaching lessons.
Software.
Yeah, it is our software HD set. And yeah, from Huidu technology. So if you buy our new device, you can get all these things in your package. All these things in your package. So this is a VP, our VP new products. And let's make this device is our old version. Let's open it. Old version. The same box. Also has a box. Yeah, this device is really familiar. It is our old version. Our old version. So the A series for the 210. Let's make a compare. First, let's see it. So the front side is really familiar. LCD, so many buttons here. Also can exchange channel, make the screen scale, frozen, and so on. The back side of it, so many ports. But equipped with the red one, it's Wi-Fi. Equipped with Wi-Fi. Yeah, and let's see these two devices. Let's see these two devices. Yeah. I think you can see our new device is more thinner. It's a little thinner than the old version. And I think the old version is a little heavy. And it's a new version, more light. And yeah, you can see the difference. The position of all these buttons is different, but they are familiar. So two output, because the maximum load capacity of them are 1.3 million pixels, and this new version equipped with IR remote control, but the old one equipped with Wi-Fi and more ports. See the front side of it. Yeah, this is our old version and new version. Old version equipped with LCD screen, and the button. Yeah. So this is our new device. You can see them. And let's exchange, make a conclusion. Let's make a conclusion. So can see those device, and the key performance. Actually, they are the same. The widest, highest, and the maximum load capacity is also the single window. All of them are the same, but the ports is different. So for the new version, the C series, it has two pieces of HDMI, but the old one only have one. On DVI, if you want to use DVI, you can use the adapter. You can see this. Just use this. You can also connect it to your device equipped with DVI. So next is the UDisc. Yeah, all have the UDisc audio and USB configuration. And the next one, please. The configuration. All the configuration work for our C series, the HD set. So the software can do all. But for the old version, you need to use the LCD screen. Use the knob to control the. Next, the output is the same, and the image also supports brightness, the color adjustment, and the control. It can host company and button and so on, but our new version add remote control. And the size, new version is more thinner than the old version. And last, why it is more cost effective? You can see the price. The price is different.
这个打出来。
The price is different. I can see. So for our new version, it is $90 USD, $90, and our old version it is 110 USD. And there are 20 USD between them. 20 USD between them. This one is more cost effective. Yeah, if you use the HDMI or DVI, yeah, more cost effective. Okay, next is the configuration. Actually, this screen is already been light up by our own device. You can see the VP series, VP410C. This is VP410C, and this different colors table is just to show the LED screen. The LED screen is just this, like the table. And the screen resolution is like this, and the model resolution is P2.5, and the module IC is like this. So we have 4 areas. We divided this LED screen into 4 areas, and each port, each Ethernet cable carry one area. So you need 4 pieces of Ethernet cable to connect it to the device. And how many the receiving card we need? We need the 26 pieces of R512T receiving card, and each card carrying like these pixels, And the next device.
PPT 还有一页。
Device. Yeah. I just said before. So all these LED screens are divided into 4 areas, and each area used one RG45 the Ethernet cable and carry it. So just like this, 4 cables carry this LED screen. And this, you can see the output 1, output 2, output 3, and output 4. Each output means 1 Ethernet cable. So
下面是演示是吧？
I guess next we can see the physical products, our physical products, and how to make configuration for the whole LED screen using our own device, VP series.
还有它的功能function。
Yeah, and all these function. You can see the IR remote control. And we can have a break for 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, we can see the configuration things.